Hello, I'm Patrick Jameson, and today we're going to install the sliding glass door 5470-5570 pocket door. In this video, we're going to unpackage the product and show you some of the suggested tools you'll need for this install. Here are the two panels and main frame. The configuration is a pocket right. I'm now ready to unpackage the main frame carefully and lay out all the components. All the parts are now laid out, starting with our box of assembly screws, parts, and pieces. We have our mainframe header, track, and jamb. We have our P-hook cover, P-hook adapter, sill rise cover, track inserts, mid-sill rise cover, the finishing rail, and fastener covers. Here are some of the suggested tools you'll need for this install, starting with the appropriate sealant: a number 3 Phillips, flathead, impact screw gun, standard screw gun, rubber mallet, glass cup, razor knife, the appropriate size tape measure, the appropriate size level, and laser level. To recap, I've now unpackaged the product and showed you some of the suggested tools you'll need for this install. In the next video, I'm going to assemble the main frame and prepare it for our installation of our pocket wall.